we've been busy in the last 12 months working on the Volkswagen platform. Golf GTIs and Golf Rs seem to be probably the new Subaru WRX and STI, so we put a lot of work into those vehicles. A lot of guys are getting them, modifying them, tuning them, coming to events like the Rally Sprint. Tonight we have 4 cars as part of our lineup: a Mark 6 GTI, a Mark 6 Golf R, a Mark 7 GTI and a Mark 7 R as well. All cars are running various products of Whiteline. All of them are running on our lowering springs. All of them are also running our front and rear adjustable sway bar kits. 2 of the vehicles are actually running our new turn-in alloy arms, so they have built-in caster and anti-lift geometry in them. So as far as these cars handling tonight, they're certainly equipped to take on the track. All the owners are very, very pleased. All these cars are ambassadors that we work with, so it's not our opinion of the parts. Most of them are very, very happy with what we've been able to do to the vehicles.